In today's video, we're going to talk about security, specifically security setup and file. It is under user customization, security, security setup. The security setup and file. These are set to control and manage the security-related issues in ERP. The first is print and download restriction. You can set up the default value to either block or allow to print, convert Excel. Master IDs are not affected by this. So if you want to set it as block as default and only allow the sales team for them to print and download, you have to press add exception at the bottom and set up a condition name. Click on load information, select user, department, and for comparison target, select sales, and we need another one, so press add condition. Since we need two conditions, make sure to put it as and instead of an or, and for the second, click load information, task, and sales. Make sure to keep it as true, allow. Now you can also set false values to set up results that do not meet the conditions. Use set false value. You can set up to 100 conditions and you can test it out by pressing the option preview button. So click on the ID and the task to see if it works. So once you save it, let us see the result. Let us go to the ID without the authorization. When you try to convert it to Excel, as you can see, it does not work. This ID is allowed to download. So by pressing Excel, you can see the sales status has been downloaded. The next is sending restriction settings. This settings allows you to send a sales slip or a customer vendor book using email and other methods. The methodology is the same for the print and download restriction as well. For instance, if you would like to restrict sending as default, make sure to click block. And if you only want to allow the sales team to be able to send the sales slip, then make an exception, enter the exception name, load the information, select the sales team, and add another condition. Go to task, group, step 3. Here, select sales. Make sure to have it as allow. Once you're done, save. The next one is file security settings and upload limit. By clicking on the upload limit and setting it to allow, it allows the users to upload files in the ERP. And you can also set up an exception condition. By setting it to block, you're effectively blocking all users from uploading files to the ERP. When you click on allow and add history, when you click save, going to user customization, security, and file history, you can see the restrictions here. So, as I stated earlier, you can set up an exception condition settings by pressing new and setting up the condition to IDs and IPs and etc. The last thing we're going to talk about is the restriction violation notification settings. It essentially sends a notice to the security officers when violations have been made that have been set up at security setup. The methodology is the same for security setup and file security settings. By clicking it to use, you can set up the notification target, method, and even set up the phrase. So if you set it up so that Lisa gets a message, then if there is a violation, it will be sent to Lisa, like so.